The next step in our Krishna Kerala mural painting is mural blue. First, let's have a look at the color mixing ratio. In the case of mural blue, we have a base color first, and for the base color, the ratio goes like this: sap green 60%, Prussian blue 40%, and a tinge of white. The base color we have prepared is dark mural blue. Next, let's add 80% of white to the dark mural blue, which is the base color we have prepared. This is a shade we'll be using for base coat. Dilution can be done appropriately, and we can start with the base coat. As explained in our previous videos, highlighting and shading is the method that is done. For the base coat, we are using the lighter version of mural blue. We are starting off at the edges. The edges will be darker, and towards the center it will be lighter. We can apply 1 or 2 coats of light mural blue, and then once it's dried, we can apply the darker shade of mural blue for the highlighting and shade. While applying light mural blue, what has to be kept in mind is to not apply a lot of coats. In case you make a mistake, in case the highlights has not come off well, we can correct it while applying dark mural blue. So while applying light mural blue, please make sure to not apply a lot of coats. If the first layer is not correct, please do not keep layering on top. It can be adjusted in subsequent layers. For the nose bridge, draw the nose bridge freehand using brush with mural blue. Blend in and out, and blend in towards the cheeks, besides the nose, above the lips, and into the lighter shade. Again, while doing nose bridge, we have to be careful to not layer it with a lot of coats. Eye bags are also the same like nose bridge. We can blend it up and down. The smile is also marked with mural blue. While painting the body, considering the whole body, the center should be light and the edge should be darkened. Whatever areas of the body are visible has to be painted with mural blue in the similar shade of highlighting and shading. While applying mural blue, we have to be very careful about the blending. While mural blue is applied, the same thickness and the same center highlight should be maintained throughout the body. The areas where we have jewelry touching the chest, the corners and the edges, we have to slightly apply mural blue and then blend it in. Regarding hand, the outer portion of the hand will be mural blue, and the inside of the hand, the edges will be mural blue, and the core inside will be mural red. Mural blue can be a tricky shade that can be perfected only with practice, both application and color mixing ratio. I hope this video has been helpful and has cleared a lot of doubts regarding mural blue. The next video will be the last video in this series, which is black outlining and the opening of eyes, and that will mark the completion of the painting.